Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to unlock a simple yet essential feature in your Gmail app. Adding a profile picture to your Gmail account not only personalizes your email experience, but also makes it easier for your contacts to recognize you. So, let's jump right into the steps. First, grab your Android device and locate the Gmail app. Open it up to get started. Now, once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a circular icon. This is your current profile picture, or a placeholder if you haven't set one yet. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Next, you'll notice a camera icon appear next to your picture. Tap that camera icon, and this will bring you to your device's gallery or photos. Here, you can select the picture you'd like to use as your new profile image. Make sure to choose a photo that you feel best represents you or your brand. After selecting your desired photo, there will be an option that says Add Profile Picture. Tap on that to confirm your choice. Finally, to save your changes, tap on Save as Profile Picture. And voila, your Gmail profile picture is updated, making your email identity more personal and engaging. And that's it. You've successfully added a profile picture to your Gmail. Remember, this small change can make a huge difference in how you connect with others through email.